Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. I'm excited to show you the all-new RepliCade Centipede game. Now, we've seen this before, but that itself was a concept model when they were originally on Kickstarter. Now, this here is the final product. So it's literally a mini version of the Centipede game, standing about 11 or so inches tall, but it's fully authentic, meaning it's got all the bells and whistles. So I'm actually really excited to go ahead and see how this all functions. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. So this here is our box. It actually looks really nice. It's got a nice image of the actual Centipede game on the cover. It says looks, plays, and controls like the original Centipede game. So that is that. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, there we go. And then on the top here we have ourselves a quick little instruction guide, as well as some coins. See that right there? And then let's go ahead and open this up, and wow, check that out, there is our machine. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now this here actually looks like a real arcade machine in the size of your hands. It's actually got a very nice quality wood feel to it. You can see it's got a very nice graphic image on the side. The original one was almost like a giant sticker. This looks like it was almost like printed onto it, so that's actually really cool. I love the whole color, and it actually makes it a great display piece. I mean, look how nice that looks. Wow. And then on the top here you have yourself a power button, a volume control button. Looks like our speaker here is on the back as well. And then we have a charging port. So you don't technically have to keep it plugged in. You can always just go ahead and charge it up and then just use it as you will. And then you just go ahead and open up the speaker stash by lifting that up just like that. And then inside there is a little area where you can actually put things, be it key, be it anything you want. So with that being said, let's go ahead and charge this bad boy up and give it a test run. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and boot this thing up and see what this is all about. So we just turned it on by using the on button here. See, it says officially it's an Atari product, so just keep that in mind as well. Now you got a volume control up here on the top as well, so you just go ahead and maneuver that the way you want. So you just go ahead and dial that like that, and awesome. So yeah, there you are. So you guys can see that the screen on this is really crisp. I'm going to just lower the volume for a second here. So the screen on here is very crisp. You know, in the previous model, you know, there's a little bit of overlay, but overall they did a great job on this, and it's really flushed, and I really love the way they did that. Now you got these LEDs here on these buttons here showing player 1 and player 2. You got that ball tracking system right over here, and then you have your trigger button right here as well. And on the bottom here you see that even these two buttons here are illuminated, and then even on the top part here, this here is illuminated as well. So you know, overall it does give that great appearance of a real arcade machine. And then yeah, let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to put up the volume. Come on! So yeah, you know, it's actually a lot of fun, and it brings back a lot of nostalgic value, especially if you're into the whole like Centipede or old school arcade kind of machines. This here is a great piece for you. Now I'm imagining they're going to make a lot of different machines like this, and actually collecting them is actually like a really cool idea. I know they have like a Street Fighter version coming out, so do keep that in mind as well. Now this here is actually a great, well-defined piece. And yeah, I have to say, it's actually one of the coolest looking arcade machines I've seen yet, especially at this size. Well, there you have it. This here is the Centipede game. Now, if you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But either way, subscribe for more videos. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.